Here's what 2 cups or 16 ounces of chicken does to your blood sugar. This is a honey lime glazed chicken recipe. Link is in the below. And this is, like I mentioned, 2 cups or 16 ounces. And I'm also going to have it with this Vietnamese sauce. They call it crack sauce. It has 0 sugar in it. I don't make mine with sugar, so it shouldn't affect the results, but I kind of want to see this dish in general and what it does to my blood sugar. Awesome, let's dig in. All right, guys, all done. I'm gonna check back in 2 hours and we'll see the results. Cool. All right, guys, so 2 hours has passed by. I started off with 82 milligrams per deciliter, and it ended with 102 milligrams per deciliter. So went up about 20 milligrams per deciliter. There was honey on the chicken. It was very conservative, and also I had some sauce, but the sauce had 0 sugar in it. It could still have spiked it up a little bit, but this is interesting for me, and hopefully this is helpful for you. And for any requests, please comment below. Any foods for me to try or activities for me to do and show the results. And also subscribe to tune in to any new results to help you on your fitness journey and health journey. Awesome, guys. Thanks. Bye.